vacuuming up the sewer drain. Bilbo and Mike Rowe are vacuuming up the sewer drain. In Chicago and Wildwood, they're vacuuming up the sewer drain. They're holding up the lid. They're holding and opening the sewer. That vroom, 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 vacuuming the sewer drain. They are vacuuming the sewer drain. They are vacuuming the sewer drain. That's what they're doing. Vroom, 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 vacuuming the sewer drains. The sewer drains, vacuuming the sewer drains. They are vacuuming the sewer drains. Right now, they're going around Wildwood and vacuuming up the sewer drains. In each hole, they're opening each manhole, and they're vacuuming up the sewer drain. That's what they're doing, vacuuming up the sewer drain. Vacuuming up the sewer drain. They're going vroom, 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 vacuuming up the sewer drains. They're vacuuming up the sewer drains. Vacuuming. The vacuum trucks are out vacuuming up the sewer drains right now in Wildwood. And Grays Lake, all over town, they're vacuuming the sewer drains up. They're vacuuming it up. They're vacuuming the sewer drains up. Vroom, 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 vacuuming up the sewer drains. That's what they're doing. Vacuuming up the sewer drains. They're going around opening the manhole cover. Mike Rowe and Bilbo. They're opening up the sewer drain covers. Vacuuming up the sewer drain. That's what they're doing. And there's cicadas making noise. Buzz, 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 vacuuming up the sewer drain. That's what they're doing. Vacuuming up the sewer drain right now. They're vacuuming up the sewer drain. Vroom, 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 vacuuming up the damn sewer drain. Bilbo and Mike Rowe and Wildwood are vacuuming up the sewer drain.